Here I've got ASUS Zenfone 6 and let me show you how to add fingerprint on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, find and choose settings. Now locate and open security and lock screen and here pick fingerprint. So if you'd like to add your fingerprint, just click on continue, and at first you have to set some backup. It can be either pattern, pin code or the password. So let me choose for example pattern and now just draw it. So it can be L letter, then tap on next. It will be used when you are not around, so it can be used as the backup to your fingerprint. Then tap on confirm to save it. And that's it. Now you can locate the fingerprint scanner and then just tap on it. So let me show you where it is. Just turn the device around and here you've got the sensor. So just keep tapping right here. So let me show you how it is here. As you can see here, you can locate the progress. And so just lift your finger and then put it again to add all the fingerprint. And this is it. As you can see, your fingerprint is ready, and tap on done to save it. And finally you have to decide if you would like to see all notification content once your device is locked, if you would like to see sensitive content only, or you want to see them at all, and this is what I will pick, and then click on done. So tap on OK, and from now on you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Just tap on the sensor and as you can see it has been unlocked. And now if you would like to unlock a different way, you can use this pattern that you've set. So this is it. This is how you can smoothly and easily add fingerprint to your ASUS Zenfone 6. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.